Thokozile seduces Bheki and then renders him unconscious with muti. Everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu, the seat from the 4th to the 8th of October 2021 on Monday. Zenzele prepares to kill Buhle. Phakade isn't forthcoming to his family about the ultimatum he's been given by the church board. Buhle threatened to shoot Mazulu on Tuesday. Buhle finds herself in the middle of a gun battle. Madonsela asked her Kobela to throw the bones and tell her what the future holds regarding Phakade's ultimatum on Wednesday. Bheki urges Khanyo to take over the church. Madonsela wants to manipulate Phakade into choosing her over Sebenzile. Buhle cooks dinner for her family to ask for their forgiveness on Thursday. Phakade is stand to learn that Khanyo is trying to overthrow him and confront her about a betrayal. Buhle cooks dinner for her family and makes amends with some members on Friday. Thokozile seduces Bheki and then renders him unconscious with muti. Madonsela Skobela wants her not to use her healing gift for evil, or she will risk becoming a witch. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.